Good day everyone, you are welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I want to show you how to convert SPSS data into Excel spreadsheet. So let's get started. For instance, here is my SPSS spread. Here under variable view, I have my questionnaire enter into the SPSS, and here under name, I have all my question 1 to 19, which I have coded as Q1 up to Q19, and under label, which are the real questions. Here are the label for each of the questions. For example, Q1 refer to gender, and here are the values. If I click here, 1 represent male, 2 represent female. This questionnaire is about the impact of oil spill on health and socio-economic and livelihood of people in a particular location. So for example, this question 7 has to do with if oil spill has affected livelihood in the study area. Here is the question, and here are the values. Here are the values. For example, 1 represent reduced fish catch or crops yield, and so forth. Then if I come to data view, here I've collected the respondent answers to these questions. Here are the data, and I have entered it in the data view. Now if I want to transfer this into Excel such that I can continue the analysis in Excel spreadsheet, let me show you how to convert it into Excel or save it and open it in Excel spreadsheet. So to do that is quite simple. Just come to File and come to Save As. Then navigate to your working folder. I'm working in this folder. So then choose your format. By default it's in SPSS format. So choose Excel format. Click on the drop down, and here you can even save it in CSV format. Now I want to save it in Excel format such that I can open it in Excel. So to do that, scroll down a bit, and here you can see Excel 2007 through 2010. So click to select this and then give it a name. Let me call it Excel data. Then here, if you want to save it with the name or with the label, that is the actual questions. So in this case, I want to write the variable names as label. So I'll choose label, and then I'll click on save. So it will save in that folder. Now if I open that folder, here is the folder, and here you can see Excel data. It's now in Excel format. So if I double click it, it will open it as an Excel spreadsheet. And here is it. You can see that the data, gender, age, marital status, primary occupation, everything has been converted into Excel spreadsheet, just as I have it in my SPSS. You can see gender, age, marital status, primary occupation, all these are the one showing here. So this is how to convert or save your SPSS data in Excel spreadsheet, and from here we can continue our analysis in Excel spreadsheet. Thank you for watching.